Chapter 20 Trial of Summons Cases by Magistrates. 251 Substance of accusation to be stated. 252 Conviction on plea of guilty. 253 Conviction on plea of guilty in absence of accused in petty cases. 254 Procedure when not convicted. 255 Acquittal or conviction. 256 Non-appearance or death of complainant. 257 Withdrawal of complaint. 258 Power to stop proceedings in certain cases. 259 Power of court to convert summons cases into warrant cases. Chapter 21 Summary Trials. 260 Power to try summarily. 261 Summary trial by magistrate of second class. 262 Procedure for summary trials. 263 Record in summary trials. 264 Language judgment in cases tried summarily. 265 Language of record and judgment. एंड चैप्टर 21A प्ली बार्गेनिंग, ये है 265A से लेके 265L तक. 265A एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द चैप्टर. 265B एप्लीकेशन फॉर प्ली बार्गेनिंग. 265C गाइडलाइंस फॉर म्यूचुअली satisfactory disposition. 265D report of mutually satisfactory disposition to be submitted before the court. 265E disposal of the case. 265F judgment of the court. 265G finality of judgment. 265H power of court in plea bargain. 265I period of detention undergone by accused to be set off against the sentence of imprisonment. 265J savings. 265K statement of accused not to be used. 265L non-application of the chapter. 272 language of courts. 273 evidence to be taken in presence of accused. 300 person once convicted or acquitted not to be tried for same offence. 303 right of person against whom proceedings are instituted to be defended. 304 legal aid to accused at state expense in certain cases. 306 tender of pardon to accomplice. 307 power to direct tender of pardon. 308 trial of person not complying with conditions of pardon. 309 power to postpone or adjourn proceedings. 310 local inspection. 311 power to summon material witness or examining person present. 311A power of magistrate to order person to give specimen signatures or handwriting. 313 power to examine the accused. 314 oral arguments and memorandum of arguments. 315 accused person to be competent witness. 316 no influence to be used to induce disclosure. 317 power for provision for inquiries and trial being held in absence of accused in certain cases. 318 procedure where accused do not understand proceedings. 319 power to proceed against other person appearing guilty of offence. 320 compounding of offences. 321 withdrawal from prosecution. 323 procedure when after commencement of inquiry or trial magistrate finds case should be committed. 325 procedure where magistrate cannot pass a sentence sufficiently severe. 327 court to be open. 353 judgment. 354 language and contents of judgment. (357) order to pay compensation. 357A victim compensation scheme. 357C treatment of victims. 358 compensation to persons groundlessly arrested. 360 order to release on probation of good conduct or after admonition. 366 sentence of death to be submitted by court of session for confirmation. 368 power of high court to confirm sentence or annul conviction. अब है appeals. 372 no appeal to lie unless otherwise provided. 373 appeal from orders requiring security or refusal to accept or rejecting surety for keeping peace or good behavior. 372 है no appeal to lie unless otherwise provided. 373 appeal from orders requiring security or refusal to accept or rejecting surety for keeping peace or good behavior. 374 appeals from conviction. 374 है no appeal in certain cases when accused pleads guilty. 375 था ये. 376 है no appeal in petty cases. 386 है powers of appellate court. 395 है reference to High Court. 396 है disposal of case according to decision of High Court. 406 है power of Supreme Court to transfer cases and appeals. 407 है power of High Court to transfer cases and appeals. 408 है power of Session Judge to transfer cases and appeals. $421 है warrant for levy of fine. 428 है period of detention undergone by accused to be set off against sentence of imprisonment. 432 है power to suspend or remit sentence. 433 है power to commute sentence. 436 है in what cases bail to be taken. ये है chapter 33 provision as to bail and bonds. 436 in what cases bail to be taken. 436A maximum period for which under trial prisoner can be detained. 437 when bail may be taken in case of non-bailable offence. 437 है when bail may be taken in case of non-bailable offence. 437A है bail to require accused to appear before next appellate court. 438 है decision for grant of bail to person apprehending arrest. 439 है special powers of High Court or Court of Session regarding bail. 440 amount of bond and reduction thereof. 460 है irregularities which do not vitiate proceedings. 461 है irregularities which vitiate proceedings. 464 है effect of omission to frame or absence of error in charge. 465 है finding or sentence when reversible by reason of error, omission or irregularity. 468 है bar to taking cognizance after lapse of period of limitation. 479 है case in which magistrate or judge is personally interested. 482 है saving of inherent power of High Court. 483 है duty of High Court to exercise continuous superintendence over courts of judicial magistrate. फिर दो शेड्यूल है. फर्स्ट शेड्यूल है क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑफेंसेस. सेकंड शेड्यूल है फॉर्म्स.